many birds as I can in a single year.
Now, Wai here, she's very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, I'm not crazy.
Kidding. So, Wai, how many birds have you seen?
So last year I've seen about one.
Wow! Hashtag show off.
I know.
Busy. Okay, everyone, so let us begin our journey of America. Let's go! Now, we will be taking a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Temple Hata River. We might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you! You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon.
Ano naman ng mga ibon na lang nila kung saan sila pupunta.
Now everyone, welcome to the Chucho Whaling, where hundreds of birds gather every day to lick on clay. Now this clay lake is the largest of its kind in the world. Now look right up there, here comes Adric and Ferrari, our scarlet macaws. Now macaws, they
Against
have
the light
very
ng ano ko.
Sharp and pointy bills, which means they might sometimes eat unripe fruits. But these unripe fruits may contain toxins that are harmful to these birds. However, by consuming clay, it helps to neutralize these to Southeast Asia. Okay.
Ang
Hello
liit.
everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. So why? 3,500
Alam nila kung saan sila susuhot. Talino. May malaki doon, no? Sa kabila.
So speaking of seeing more birds, we are going to be joined by because like Higgins here, they are one of the largest in the parrot family. And guess what? Higgins is about 10 years old.
Right here with me, I have Katie, a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Cockatoos in general, they can be found in Australia as well as certain parts of Indonesia. They get their names sulfur-crested cockatoos from the yellow feathers on top of their heads.
That is right. Okay, all the way to Sharon. Now parrots, they mate for life and they make the